So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to curve text in Alight Motion. So to add some text, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, select text, and I'll just go ahead and type in curve just like this. I will then change the font as well as the font size, and I will go to red just like that. So once your text is selected, there's a couple different ways you can do this. Go ahead and select the text right here. It actually just froze for me. I apologize. Just bear with me for 2 seconds. So yeah, go ahead and select text just like this. Then go to the bottom right and select effects and then press add effects. Now, once you're here, scroll down to where it says distortion/warp. And there's a couple different options here. You have bend and you have curl. I'll show you guys both here quick. So if we wanted to go ahead and curve the text, you can select where you want to do it from. And then you can go ahead and slide the text like that if you want to curve it. You can go ahead and just kind of play with it this way. You can also go to the advanced settings right here at the bottom, and you can sort of change the tune just like that. So that's how you guys can curve the text. Now, if you wanted to maybe go back here, add an effect, and go to distortion/warp, and you can curl. It also kind of works in a similar fashion here. So you can go ahead and curve the text just like this. You can go ahead and curve it, do what you got to do. Right? You can go ahead and play around with it just like that. Right, if you wanted to curve it just like that, you can curve the text, and you can kind of go ahead and do the direction of it just like this, and you can stretch it the way you want. And if this, it looks obviously pretty funny right here, but you can go ahead to the top, and there's a couple different options here. You can flip it horizontally if you want, or you can go to move and transform right here. You can rotate it and do what you got to do, just like that, and proceed this way. So a couple different ways for you guys, but that is how to curve text in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.